Man, guys, the pressure is getting worse. Morning vlog. So they usually say the early bird catches the worm. Anyway, so I'm out of the house. I'm supposed to be in town by 7. Right now it's 6:15, so let me jaribu at least. Yeah, so guys, today I'm taking you on an adventure and I'm going with absolutely new people, so that's about to be a lot of fun. I can't wait. Anyway, I wanted to shoot an intro vlog. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel. I do a lot of adventure here, so tag along. First and foremost, I'd love to give a massive big shout out to Rotaract Club of Langata for arranging this wonderful hike. Guys, let me tell you, this hike was very affordable. It only cost each person 1,000 shillings, and for the 1,000 shillings it catered for transport to and fro. It catered for the entry fee, the tour guide, so you can imagine. We went, saw like 3 waterfalls. Man, it was a good day. Anyway, also a big shout out to Let's Drift for touring us, taking us on a tour to Kahunira, and Jovial James for being the best tour guide. Anyway, you can follow them on their Instagram accounts, and guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog because it's about to be a lot of fun. Bye.
From this way, or rather, I like to send my adolescent family. Come on,
tuonyeshe tu now, this is the first destination. We are here. I made a new friend. Hi,
Gloria.
We got to Githunguri town and we were taken through some exercises, just some warm-ups before we started the hike, and we also did introduction, which was actually really nice because we got to know each other.
You only need very hot sun and strong wind.
And a lot of water.
Yeah, and strong wind. You see what the carry out here.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
So guys, as you can see, it's just a downhill. We are going down. Like, the ground isn't level, but I'd say I'd give the hike a moderate. This is for beginners. It's actually really good for beginners. So yeah, it's not all that bad. Nimeshaanza kukua sweaty a little, just a little, but my bag is quite heavy. I won't even lie, my bag is find heaven, have water, and some snacks. Anyway, this is how this place actually looks like. Yeah. So we are going downhill. Oh my god, what? Nivo ndo lazima mtu slide. Oh.
Chunga hiyo. Actually, I should tell her that because she'll focus on it now.
Yeah, let's go down. The one and only. Yeah, it's a really nice view, guy. Hapo chini ndo tuna swim. I cannot. Nimesikia Mpararo walikuwa naambiwa wakuje na costume.
Lies.
Yeah.
Sikuja nayo.
Utakuja na costume?
Yes.
Unataka kufanya ile kitu?
Obedient. Nilisema ati no ama notorious.
Yeah, we don't want notorious people. Guys, I made it down here. So, this is how the falls look like. The water is cold.
I know.
So, guys, we're going up. So that's the way up here. And my view from here, you can really see the falls. Yeah. We're doing more than. So, we've climbed. I'm telling you. I had to seek it. Ah. Okay. The lady who got the finger that chopped off. Help her Papa rest. So here are the pescators, the fasting. We are reunited once again. Lost and found. On to the second waterfall. We are going up once again. Naweza hesabu mlima zenye mmepanda so far? Mlima? Ngapi?
Nakumbuka exactly how the route is.
You remember? You can go back alone?
Yes.
Okay.
We went down.
Yeah.
We went up.
And
then
yeah.
we went all down. After going up, we went up continuous until tukaanza kushuka chini. This is the second one.
Ndio mse anakuja.
Ndio anachachisha.
Sawa. We are sorry. Naambia, I've made it to the top. Yani, I've made it in this life. We, yo kamlima. Oh my God. Yeah, but regardless, we made it. Guys, it's hot.
Why are you running?
I'm telling you, it's hot. Okay? That's it. We are out here sweating. Man, guys, the pressure is getting worse. Wait, I'm telling you, as I'm thinking at it, we're almost there. Apparently, we've cutted another route, and it looks like it's just more of walking. Whew. I'm lagging behind. I am failing terribly. Your girl is failing terribly. Wacha nijaribu ku keep pace. Now we are going downhill. Niwasi. Hii hike ni poa, yes, katai. Lakini venye tunatembea, that's where my problem comes in. We are walking a lot. I'm decided to jog because what the heck, my legs are so tired. Sikiani venye nakataga ground na vipigo. But yeah. Hey. Kuna kabreeze though. It's making things bearable. Nimekuwa peseta. So I'm guessing we are almost near.
Hold your horses.
So guys, it's about to go down. The route to this second waterfall was so wild. I'm not even kidding, it's wild. You'll just see. So here we are at a coffee plantation, headed down, and it's about to be wild AF. Anyway, let me just leave you guys to see.
Ukitoa viatu msiniteke. Vipi tunasikia ikae.
Sorry. Guys,
Msishout, we have bees. Nyuki. Sawa. Unless you are called honey or something, just keep
you
it
want to.
going.
This is the way down. So this is Tarzan. Oh, I hope you're seeing this. Ndio inaitwa adventure watu. Oh. My God. Water. Oh. What a ghetto is this? Oh my God, ni watu hapa ni wapi tumejileta? Guy, hakukuwa na njia ingine?
Wow.
Huko ndo kweli ma adventures ziko. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm gonna make it. Guys, we are here after all that blood and sweat. We've made it here. We are finally here. Oh my God, guys. Kunakaa vizuri. Oh my God, the water is so cold. But y'all, how worth it is this trip? Ooh. Ooh. That's why you guys need to walk out more. You need to come and connect with Mother Nature.
Wow.
A mind stretched by new experiences can never go back to its old dimension. Travel, learn, grow. Now that's how nature sounds like, guys. I wanted you to get a clear picture of how nature. Oh my god! Miguu yangu imeingia kwa maji, guys. Wrong shoes. Guys, tumefika kwa Duff Mpararo, so here is where people are going to dip. As you can see, locals wanna swim size. Duff Mpararo. How did you feel?
Disappointed.
You're disappointed?
I thought she would be at the waterfall.
Yeah. Are you going to swim?
There are so many people. I thought it was just us.
It was just us. Can you imagine? But you guys, unajua ni aje? Isn't my adventure. Tingeni tu to swim.
Because the other people.
People aren't swimming here. Due to unavoidable circumstances, we couldn't view the third waterfall from down, but we saw it from up. And by now my camera had gone off, and this is us headed back. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and if you loved this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up.